Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not installing. And we begin by confirming your internet connection is stable, ensuring you have at least 10 megabits per second download speed. Next, check your computer system requirements. Roblox typically needs at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and a processor made in the last 10 years. Finally, close all other demanding applications, freeing up system resources for a smooth installation process. Often, cached data or temporary files can interfere with new installations. Start by clearing your web browser's cache and cookies thoroughly, particularly if you downloaded the installer through a browser. Then, open your Run dialog, type temp or %temp% to access and delete all temporary system files. Running a quick disk cleanup will also help remove any old, conflicting data. If a partial installation exists, a clean slate is crucial. Fully uninstall Roblox from your system settings, then restart your computer. Download a fresh installer directly from the official Roblox website to avoid corrupted files. Sometimes, antivirus software can block legitimate installations, so try temporarily disabling it for a few minutes while you run the new installer, but remember to re-enable it afterward for protection. Your computer's firewall might be blocking the installation. Check your firewall settings to ensure Roblox is an allowed application, making any necessary adjustments. Also, always run the Roblox installer with administrator privileges. Right-click the file and select Run as Administrator to grant it full system access. If you are using an older operating system, consider running the installer in compatibility mode for Windows 7 or 8.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.